Hello guys and welcome to Unbox News. As usual, my name is Patrick Ago and this is my twin.
And my name is Unbox News Guy.
So everyone, you have visited a friend, grandparents, parents. You have been to a restaurant and requested for the Wi-Fi password.
The
right?
Wi-Fi.
It's the same. Anyway. Then yeah, okay, let's go. So caps lock A, V, D, she,
The X.
1, 7,
The X.
X if you want X. But it's difficult. It's long. You will say, why don't you change the password, right?
Well, I can do it.
It's not a question for you.
Oh.
Oh. Anyway. Yeah, but I don't know how. And I don't know any friend who can do it. Or an IT guy who will come and do it. Oh my god. Anyway. But now, with the small and little tiny Wi-Fi porter,
The Wi-Fi. Oh, come on.
it's the same. C'est la même chose. Es la misma.
Oh. Oh.
Anyway, you will never have to type any password anymore. With the Wi-Fi porter,
The Wi-Fi.
shut up. Zip it. It simplifies it all to a simple tap or a camera scan. Let me show you, but before, let's unbox it. Alright, so the Wi-Fi porter is by 10-1 Design Company. So here you have the box. It's a very small box, as you can see the P20 Pro here on this side. It's smaller than this, and the iPhone X is even smaller than the iPhone X. Anyway, so premium hardwood, one-tap Wi-Fi device, and then on the front you have the Wi-Fi design, and in the back you have the QR scan. Share your Wi-Fi with a single tap. The packaging philosophy of the company, 10-1 Design, is 100% recyclable paper. There is no plastic outside the box or inside the box, and it's very lightweight. As you can see, it's very light. So when they deliver, there is no impact in the environmental pollution, Anyway, so it's an utility on the outside and it's a luxury on the inside. You have the greetings. Visit Wi-Fi Porter for setup to personalize your porter. wifiporter.com. This is what inside. Alright, some different design, and then the simple, the tiny, the smallest Wi-Fi porter, and the great design. It's wooden. It's so lightweight. Then in the back you have the QR code, which, as I told you, you can remove this. This is already in the box, and then you can put the smiley faces. I think the smiley faces can be cute. This Wi-Fi porter is set to work on my Wi-Fi connection. Anyone who will come and tap on the Wi-Fi porter will connect to the Wi-Fi in my office. This is the QR code. You put it in the back. Simple. Funny design in the back and very classy design in the front. Now you set up the Wi-Fi porter to your home connection, restaurant, any connection, and it's stored in the Wi-Fi porter. You have to connect through your phone. Android phones, most of them who have 5.0 Android and higher, Lollipop and higher, can connect by tapping on the Wi-Fi porter, or you have the iPhone XS, XS Max by tapping, and I think iOS 13, any iPhone who have iOS 13 can connect by tapping, which is very nice. So I hope iOS 13 will come very soon. Anyway, so let's start with the P20 Pro. All you have to do is so simple. Unlock the phone and you tap. Notification, connect to name of the connection. You connect. And it's all connected. You see here? And I have Wi-Fi. In 2 seconds. Now, the QR code, you unlock the phone, you open the camera, you turn, and here you have the notification, and you connect, join, and it's connected. And if you flip it again, as you can see here, this is not only a hole to remove this glass and change the background. What it does, the purpose of this is you can hang it on the wall. Simple. This is nice design. Again, guys, Wi-Fi Porter, no more password, tapping for Androids, scanning for iPhone, iOS 13, you can tap, hopefully. And that's it, guys. This is the most simplest way and the most fun way to connect to any Wi-Fi. So
The Wi-Fi. Connect Wi-Fi.
not again. Do you even know what Wi-Fi mean or Wi-Fi mean?
Yes, I do. Wi-Fi is the name of popular wireless networking technology that uses radio waves. In fact, it means IEEE 802.11.
Alright. So, thanks Google for your.
What? What do you mean?
Yeah. Look at your phone in your hand. Maybe that proof that you looked at Google. Yeah.
No, I didn't. No,
Anyway,
I'm smart.
okay. All right. You're smart.
Yeah.
Smart.
Thank you.
Anyway, so guys, if you like this product, just like this video. If you have any comment, or if you have any product you want us to unbox, just comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, just do it now. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week.
Peace.